take this cover off, you want to take all these push pins off. Just use a trim tool, pop the center part up, and then underneath the rest of it. Do the same with the other ones. Now take this cover off. Take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. Now there's plastic retainers that hold the grill on. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and just push and twist. You only have to twist it a little bit. See how that's loose? There's another one down here. That should be loose. And over here. That one's loose, and over here. That's all loose. Now just grab the trim. Now you have to just pull it out over here. Now with all those loose, then just grab this panel right here and just pull straight forward, just like that. If you struggle with getting your fingers in there, you can pull the light out. There's just 2 pins. Pull straight up, pull the light out. Do the same on the other side. And slide the grill right off. Now take these 2 lines off. Just take this plastic cover, slide it down. You can use a screwdriver or a pick tool. And then there's a little clip here. Take that clip out, use the pick tool. Slide that clip out. Do the same on this side. And then wiggle these lines off. And slide it out, and do the same for the other side. Here we go. And take these 2 push pins out, one on this side. Use a clip tool or a trim tool. And the same over here. And take these 2 bolts out, one here and one here. Use a 10mm socket. And slide the cooler right out. Now the new cooler has a slightly different bracket than the original one. And this little slot right here is going to go on this bracket and right here. So just slide that in position, just like that. And then if this clip pops out, or J-nut pops out, just push it in with a screwdriver to get it to line up. And take the bolts that you took from up here and put those in down here. And tighten those down. Just snug them up. Now if you have these caps, just take these off. There was one there. And take the lines, just line those up. Press that back in. And take the cover, push this over. Make sure it's secure. Just like that. And then do the same on the other one. Now take the grill and just slide it in position. Push these clips in on the side. Make sure all these line up. And take a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist these. And there's 4 of them. This just locks it in. Alright, that's good. And take this bolt, get that started, and tighten it down. And put this cover on, line it up, and put all the push pins in. Lock them down.